Hello! The aim of this video, that is part of our project ICLUEx, is to help you create outlines. Producing outlines is an important learning skill that you will find very useful at the university. Outlines help you develop a logical, coherent structure to organize the information. An outline is like a skeleton that keeps the main ideas together, so you have a clear picture of the topic you're dealing with. Outlines are the starting point for summaries, for presentations, or when creating concept maps. You can check our videos on these topics. Understanding academic information and revising for your test can be stressful, especially when you don't know where to start. That's why we recommend to begin with an outline. The first thing you need to know is, what is an outline? An outline is simply a framework for presenting the main and supporting ideas of a particular subject or topic. Outlines help you develop a logical, coherent structure of the information, making it easier to translate your ideas into words and sentences. Once your outline is complete, you'll have a clear picture of the topic you're dealing with. Why should I create an outline? There are many reasons. It may be helpful when you want to show the hierarchical relationship or logical ordering of information. An outline is the starting point for writing summaries, organizing oral presentations, writing essays or dissertations, and writing abstracts. Outlining is one of the most important techniques to help you develop self-regulated writing skills and promote higher-order thinking. The main reasons for creating an outline are: it aids in the learning process, it helps you organize your ideas, it presents your material in a logical form, it shows the relationships among ideas, and it constructs an ordered overview of the information. Now, let's prepare to write our outline. First, you need to understand the original source and its main ideas. This will include identifying the main idea, organizing the information, identifying the sections into which the text is divided, identifying the supporting ideas used to back up the key points, and creating a logical structure with the identified information. There are some important steps for writing a good outline. Step 1. Quickly scan the entire reading selection, looking for the headings or subheadings. Read the heading and subheadings and try to determine the main topics or ideas contained in the reading selection. Quickly read the entire selection once, stopping at the end of each paragraph to write a list of keywords found in each section. Step 2. Slowly read the first and last paragraphs. Look at the keywords you wrote down and add any new ones. Note the order you wrote the words, and think of the key ideas these words came from. Step 3. Begin an outline by writing what you think is the main idea of the reading selection. Look carefully at the first and last paragraphs and the keywords to determine the main idea. Step 4. Slowly read the entire selection, beginning with the first paragraph again. Try to distinguish between supporting ideas and details. Supporting ideas are broad categories, just not as broad as the main idea. Details are the specifics about a supporting idea that expand the main idea. List the first supporting idea on the outline under the main idea. Step 5. Continue reading to find other supporting ideas. Use a different letter for each. Step 6. Reread the text to find the details about each supporting idea. The speed you use to reread will depend on how well you understand the ideas. If you understand the material, you can read it quickly. If you are having a hard time understanding, you may need to read it very slowly and check your understanding of each sentence or section. Details are the evidence, facts, and information for each supporting idea. Label each detail. Remember, the key terms you listed earlier can be details. And finally, step 7. Use your outline as a starting point to write another production. For example, a summary, a presentation, or an abstract. As you can see in this outline example, you should include the main idea, the supporting ideas, and enough of the details to support the main idea in your production. There are two main types of outlines: topic and sentence outlines. Both types are hierarchical outlines, but a topic outline is far more brief. A topic outline provides a quick overview of topics to be included in an essay. You are probably already familiar with this structure. Look at the syllabus from one of your subjects. It is probably the equivalent of a topic outline, with topics listed for each unit and readings and assignments under each. After each heading in a topic outline for an essay, a maximum of several words is used to identify the topic or idea that will be discussed under the given heading. In a sentence outline, the thesis and topic sentence of each supporting paragraph are fully written out. Sentence outline forces part of the essay to be written out in sentences before the first draft. You can represent sentence outlines with different formats. The usual way of creating a sentence outline is to do it hierarchically, but it can also be done in a more visual way. Here are examples of sentence and topic outlines, which can be verbal outline and visual outline. Here is an example of sentence verbal outline. And in this picture, you can see an example of a sentence visual outline. Now that you are familiar with how to create outlines and the information that they should provide, it is important to know how to display them. When creating an outline, you should decide if you will write your outline by hand or use a computer. Using your computer might be easier, as you can just copy and paste the information to arrange your sections. Also, you will be able to use infinite designs if you decide to work with apps. In this module, we will show you how to create an outline using an app or software. However, there are some important features to bear in mind when choosing an app to create your outline online. Visual hierarchy. The app chosen should make it easy to visually distinguish outline sections and main ideas. Nesting. Apps should let you create parent items, each of which you can have an unlimited number of children items. Doing something to the parent, for example, indenting it, outdenting it, moving it to a new place, applies the same change to its children. Automatic styling. The app should let you have your ideas appear by default with bullets, Roman numerals, numbers, indentation levels, etc. This way, avoiding wasting time creating the formats you need. Easy rearrangement. The app chosen should make it easy to drop text into a new place, whether it's via keyboard shortcuts or a drag-and-drop interface. Bearing this in mind, we have made a list with some apps that you can use when creating your outline. Here is an example of an outline created with Microsoft OneNote. And here is an example of an outline created with CMap tools. Finally, this outline has been created with FreeMind. We hope that you have found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can check our channel for more information.